Hello everybody. We're going to continue doing our work with ml5js. This time the thing that we're going to do is we're going to create a web page which doesn't do the classification of a static image, but actually does this with your webcam. That is the camera that's built into your computer, and I think it's going to give us some pretty entertaining results once we get it working. So to make this work, the first thing that we need to do is make a copy of the final version of what we did. This is that file that we finished with last time. I'm going to make a copy of this, duplicate that, and I'm going to call this intro webcam. And this is going to be the starter version of what you're going to use to then follow Daniel Schiffman's next video, which is linked to this video. Now there is another thing to know. Last time I had you use a web server run in the terminal to help you with running this on your computer. We don't actually need that this time because we're not loading any files from your local computer. So it's really easy. You want to just take intro webcam, this HTML file, and drag it into Chrome just like this. And that's all you need to do. Now I've started following Daniel's tutorial. You can start just from the file that's that you finished with last time, or if you weren't able to totally finish it, you can just use the intro complete file and start working through his tutorial. When you drag that file into here and you've started making the changes from his tutorial, you'll get this request to use your camera. You want to hit allow, and you will see your beautiful face, just like I see my not so beautiful face here in the web browser. So I'm going to leave you to get started and follow his steps. Come back here if you want to check and see what changes, if any, there are to his code that need to be made in order to get it to work, but I don't think we'll have to do too much. So go check out his video right now. All right, so if you followed his steps, starting from the intro complete, starting from the code that you had at the end of the last video, it almost works. It actually works perfectly. So I didn't have to make any changes as I was playing around with it. You can sort of see right now it's doing a bunch of stuff. If I cover my face, I don't know what happens. It turns me into hairspray. That's a little weird. How about this? Oatmeal box, or a bottle, water bottle, bunny, okay, piggy bank, penny bank, something like that. Bluetooth speaker, hold it this way. Interesting. That way, microphone, a mic. What else do I have? A little Lego robot. Anything interesting here? Ooh, interesting. A Polaroid camera. Lots of neat stuff. And then maybe the RVR box. What does that give us? So a race car or a vacuum cleaner. Good stuff. So anyway, it works. I want you to play around with this and just take some interesting screenshots of it classifying interesting things. Just, let's say, pick 5 things that just entertain you that it does horribly wrong. Just email those to me, email those images to me, and we'll collect them and we'll take a look when we start up next week. So that's it. Congratulations, you have now implemented a machine learning classifier MobileNet using ml5js in a web page. It's a huge deal. So, great job. See you next time.